Why are so many Muslims still broke online in the biggest digital money era in history? We have the internet, we have AI, we have global opportunities, yet many Muslims are still struggling financially. It's not because Muslims can't earn. It's not because opportunities don't exist. It's because most Muslims were never taught how to build halal wealth in the modern world. So in this video, I'm going to explain why most Muslims stay broke online and exactly how to escape it. Because understand this clearly, you can earn serious money online without compromising your deen. Let's talk honestly. Reason 1. Fear of money. Wrong mindset. Many Muslims grow up hearing, money is dangerous, rich people are corrupt, just survive. But Islam never teaches poverty. Islam teaches halal wealth. The companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him, were successful traders. They earned, they invested, they gave charity, they built the ummah. Wealth becomes harmful only when earned through haram. Halal income, on the other hand, brings barakah. If you believe money itself is bad, you will subconsciously avoid wealth. Change your mindset. Money is a tool. Halal money is a blessing. Reason 2. Chasing haram shortcuts. Many Muslims online are stuck because they keep chasing fast money. Forex leverage trading, crypto pump schemes, interest-based apps, guaranteed profit platforms. These often involve riba, gambling-like speculation, deception, high uncertainty. Why does this keep people broke? Because haram money removes barakah. Even when it comes fast, it leaves fast. Islamic finance teaches real value creation, asset-backed income, honest trade, risk sharing. There are no barakah in shortcuts. Reason 3. No high-income skills. Scrolling is not a skill. Watching videos is not a skill. Complaining is not a skill. If you are still broke online, you likely haven't built a monetizable skill yet. High-income halal skills include video editing, copywriting, ethical AI content creation, web design, digital marketing, automation services. Why are these halal? Because no interest involved, real value provided, transparent payment, honest service. These skills are modern halal trade. One strong skill can change your financial life completely. Reason 4. Distraction and lack of focus. Many people say, I want to make money online, but they spend 4 hours scrolling, 3 hours watching entertainment, 0 hours building skills. Success requires focus, not motivation. Focus. If you spend 1 year mastering a skill, you can change your income permanently. But most people never stay consistent long enough. Wealth requires discipline. Halal wealth requires discipline and patience. Reason 5. Not using modern tools like AI. We are living in the AI revolution, and many Muslims are watching from the sidelines. Ethical AI allows you to start online businesses, offer freelance services, create content, automate systems, build global income. Why is AI halal? Because it is a tool. No interest involved. Real value can be created. Services can be delivered honestly. AI becomes haram only when used for scams, theft, deception, copyright violation. Muslims who master ethical AI will dominate online income in the next 5 years. Reason 6. No halal wealth strategy. Many Muslims try random things. Today, crypto. Tomorrow, dropshipping. Next week, trading. Then quitting. Wealth requires a system. Here is a simple halal wealth path. Step 1. Learn a high-income skill. Step 2. Earn through halal freelancing or services. Step 3. Save and avoid riba. Step 4. Start halal investing. Step 5. Build digital assets. Step 6. Scale income ethically. This follows the principles of Islamic finance: value creation, asset-based growth, no interest, honest trade. Without a strategy, income stays random. How to escape being broke? Real solution. Let's make this practical. If you want to escape being broke online, stop chasing shortcuts. Learn one powerful skill. Use ethical AI tools. Avoid all riba-based income. Focus for 6 to 12 months. Build multiple halal income streams. Make intention for barakah, not just money. This is how you build real wealth, not overnight, but permanently. The core truth: being broke is not your destiny, it is your current direction. Change your direction and your financial future changes. And always remember this: you can earn serious money online without compromising your deen. Not by gambling, not by riba, not by scams, but by skill, by value, by halal systems, by barakah. If you are tired of struggling financially, if you want halal income with barakah, if you're ready to escape the broke cycle, subscribe right now, because this channel is dedicated to helping Muslims build real halal wealth online. Comment below, "I'm ready to escape," and let today be the day your financial life starts changing. See you in the next video, where we build serious halal income step by step with barakah.